Infinity is a mathematical concept that represents an unbounded or limitless quantity. It is not a specific numerical value but rather a notion used to describe something that goes on indefinitely or has no upper or lower bound. Key points about infinity include: limitless quantity. Infinity is used to describe quantities that have no end or are immeasurable. For example, the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3 is considered infinite because it continues indefinitely. Mathematical operations. Infinity is often involved in mathematical operations, such as limits in calculus. For instance, the limit of 1x as x approaches 0 is considered infinity because the values of 1x become arbitrarily large as x gets arbitrarily small. Infinity in set theory. In set theory, infinity is used to describe sets with an infinite number of elements. The concept of countable infinity and uncountable infinity is explored in this context. Extended real numbers. In mathematics, the set of real numbers is often extended to include positive and negative infinity. Infinity in geometry. Infinity is sometimes used in geometry to describe points or lines that extend indefinitely. For example, parallel lines are considered to meet at infinity in projective geometry. Infinity in calculus. Calculus frequently deals with limits, and the concept of infinity is crucial in understanding the behavior of functions as they approach certain points. It's important to note that while infinity is a useful and well-defined concept in mathematics, it is not a number in the conventional sense, and arithmetic operations with infinity can lead to undefined or indeterminate results. Additionally, the concept of infinity is employed in various branches of mathematics and theoretical physics to describe processes or entities that continue indefinitely. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.